You have dating apps, you have so many things, and especially lockdown में तो और ही ज़्यादा लोग socially connect हुए हैं. तो मुझे लगता है कि right now I think it's the easiest. It's so easy to meet great people, you know, and make new friends or fall in love even.
You do what you want to do and whatever but I don't think it's for me. This was the first time I had the opportunity to look at someone with love romantically. And, I was so glad that it was Prajakta because it was just a lot of fun doing it with her.
Hi guys, welcome to yet another episode of और बताओ. मेरा नाम है स्तुति और अभी स्क्रीन पे जो दो चेहरे हैं, you already know them. I'm sure you follow them on social media, you know what's happening, and you are eagerly waiting for this new series on Netflix, which is called Mismatched. पर यहाँ पे, the smiles are matching. We have Prajakta Kohli and Rohit Saraf. Thank you guys.
Thank you
so much Stuti for having us.
How's it going? पहले तो बताओ, how are the promotions going? कौन से सवाल से अभी तक सबसे ज्यादा तंग आ गए हो? Already bored, fed up of answering.
हम कुछ तंग नहीं आए हैं. हम जब तक बोलो हम बात कर लेंगे यार. I mean, we've had too much fun on this show and we just want everybody to watch it.
Lovely. So first things first, how did this happen? Mismatched. Tell us about the birth of this series and about your roles. What is it that you can reveal?
So it's actually adapted from Sandhya Menon's book, When Dimple Met Rishi. I play Dimple, Rohit plays Rishi. And it actually went into its adaptation for the show काफी पहले, मतलब हमारे पास पहुंचने से काफी पहले. I think it was being adapted. The writers and the directors and the whole creative team was working on it. हमारे पास ऐसे पहुंचा कि I got a call from Panchami, who's our casting director, saying, "आ जाओ, there's this show for Netflix that RSVP is also going to be a part of." And Dimple Met, तभी तो उसका नाम Mismatch नहीं था, उसका नाम When Dimple Met Rishi. When Dimple Met Rishi था. तो मुझे बताया गया कि we want to test you for Dimple's character. मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है. So I am not because I'm very different from this universe. यार मैं YouTube videos में खुश होती हूँ. मुझे मजे आते हैं कि चाहे जो पहने चाहे जैसे करिए. Auditions make me very very nervous. So the minute there's an audition, I just go into this I'm like, oh god, okay. तो मैं काफी देर तक मैंने कोशिश करी कि मैं अवॉइड करूं इस ऑडिशन को कि मैं सुदीप who's my manager, I kept telling him I don't go यार, I don't feel like it. तो जिस दिन मुझे डेट मिली ऑडिशन की कि अच्छा इस डेट पे इस टाइम पे आना, मैंने कहा ले मैं जा ही नहीं सकती, मेरी फ्लाइट है टोक्यो की. टू बैड. नाउ the morning of that day I came to work with my suitcase और टोक्यो में storm आ गया. So my flight got delayed 6 or 7 hours. So Deep was like, great, now you have to go give your audition.
The universe is saying, oh yeah.
I said, okay, fine. So I went and I gave my audition. Next day I got a call from Akash, who's our director, Akash and Nipun. Akash is also the showrunner. Akash ka call aaya ki suno, Netflix liked your tape. We want to tape you again with the guy that we want to see how you work with online, on screen. I was like, okay, fine. And then I came back for the screen retest when that's the first time I met Mr. Saraf at Panchami's office. And ever since it's been a joyride.
So thanks to the storm in Tokyo, you brought a storm in everyone's life now. Wow. But no, it was a similar process actually. Stuti, the last time we met, I had actually auditioned for Mismatched because obviously we were working very, very closely with RSVP because, they were handling the marketing of the film Sky is Pink. I had auditioned in Bombay and then flown down to Toronto. The day I met you, incidentally, the day we did our first interview together, in Toronto.
Yeah.
That little bite.
A selfie interview.
Right after that, an hour later, I met Sanaya, who's the creative producer on our show. And she told me that, hey, we really liked your audition. We loved it. But there will be more rounds and we want you to, test with the girl that we're considering. And let's see what happens. Let's see what Netflix thinks about the chemistry. Let's see how they like it together. I was like, okay, sure. So I came back to Bombay. And once I came back to Bombay is when I met Prajakta. Literally the next day when I came back, I met Prajakta. We auditioned together. which was a mind-blowing audition. Had super fun. Great banter happened during the auditions, and it was awkward because the scene was awkward, and the two of us were also kind of awkward. So I think it worked out really well.
Not bad. You know, I don't remember last time अपने किसी interview में I've used the word social media so many times because you both dominate that, and the one reason for your appeal is the fact that you guys are, you know, so real. People want to see the real side of you. It's fun, like you said. It's mad. It's in so many ways unfiltered. So थोड़ा fun करेंगे since we're talking about love and match and mismatch and all of that. Safe to say both of you are millennials. So how difficult is it for millennials to fall in love? Like, what are the challenges of our generation, and how tough does it make it?
Actually, I think it's easier than ever, no?
It is?
I feel
Okay.
like पहले तो थोड़ा बहुत thought भी जाता था, but I have friends who are like, oh my god, he's the one. Oop, no, not. Okay, this one's the one. Okay, I'm in love again. I'm not in love again. Okay, I think I'm in love. I think it has become. What I like about this is we have stopped taking it too seriously. Because we are taking it as it comes, and if it works, it works. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. We are not going from a place of कि ओके अब अगर हम 2 बार डेट पे जा चुके हैं तो अपने मम्मी पापा को एक दूसरे से मिलवा रहे, मतलब वो अभी वो नहीं हो रहा है. आई एम लाइकिंग दैट वी आर टेकिंग इट easy, we are keeping it in the fun space.
Yeah.
I think more than the difficulties, I mean, it's yin and yang, but more than the difficulties, I think it's just more easier, no? People are more approachable. You can reach out to anyone you want to. You can reach out on...
Can slide into DMs.
Slide into DMs. And Rohit Saraf reads his DMs every night before he goes to sleep, guys. So go post
information.
You have dating apps, you have so many things, and especially lockdown में तो और ही ज़्यादा लोग socially connect हुए हैं. तो मुझे लगता है कि right now I think it's the easiest. It's so easy to meet great people, you know, and make new friends or fall in love even.
Rohit, you've been on a dating app, have you?
No, I haven't. No.
Never? Prajakta, you?
You can't. Yeah. I mean,
what would make you guys swipe left or swipe right? The first thing.
Listen, I can't.
Nothing.
I can't do dating apps. Nothing. There's nothing on a dating app that will make me go, ooh, all right. I don't think so.
do you know there are so many times where people send me messages and screenshots of people using our photographs as their pictures and you know, talking to people. There are times when I get messages saying that hey, what happened? Are you okay? Why were you asking for 10,000 rupees? And I'm just like, what are you even talking about? Like random.
Wow.
So yeah, it's very scary. Yeah? And I just feel like it's not the safest because you don't know who you're talking to. It's just a very messy space to be in for me. I also know people who are now married because they met on Bumble, Tinder, and Hinge and whatnot. So to again coming back to my favorite phrase that I swear by now: to each its own. You do what you want to do, and whatever works. But I don't think it's for me.
I feel like another reason why Rohit and I both sort of fell in love with Mismatch was because of the fact that we are both people persons. Like we want interaction in person, and I feel like that is also something that was also one of the things that blends very well with the series, where all of them also, like all of them are together and it's there. So I think for me, honestly, it's also the fact that, you know, I want to meet the person in life and not on a display picture.
अब हम आपके सोशल मीडिया से तो आपके बारे में बहुत कुछ जानते हैं, but anything about Prajakta that you can reveal, Rohit, that we don't know? You worked with her.
You first answer. Let me think. Yeah, these kind of questions, they really confuse me because I get puzzled. I'm like, "Arey, what? Okay, wait, hold on."
I don't think a lot of people know that Rohit is a really good artist. Like he makes a lot of like paintings, and he paints walls in his house, and he has a fun art across that he's done. I think that is amazing about him. I don't think a lot of people know about it. I don't think a lot of people know about his 2 cute doggies that one day are going to reach my house mysteriously. What else? He is another thing about Rohit.
I
He's
think,
very,
okay,
very-
I found one.
Okay.
He's very, very what?
He's very, very close to his family, and
Yeah.
I mean, like, it's really nice.
She's obsessed with the home decor, yeah? Like, she's obsessed.
She got a new house.
I
She
was-
would be.
I was redoing my house, like my room and whatever, my living room and whatnot, and I sent her a message saying, "Hey, can you help me with that?" Then later on, we got on a FaceTime call just randomly, and we discussed home decor for 3 hours. And then every time she finds a nice rug or she finds a nice whatever, like a pot or a vase, she'd send it to me on my DM, and she's following the most random hashtags for home interiors. So yeah, she's obsessed with home interiors, and I could be wrong about this, but it's one thing to not be interested in fashion, and I think it's another thing to not like fashion at all. I think she is someone who doesn't like fashion. Like, it's not that she doesn't care much about it, but she just doesn't like it. She's just like, why? Why is it need? Why is it a thing? It doesn't need to be a thing. Can we walk the red carpets in our sweatpants? Cause I'm down. You know, she's one of those kind of people. I'm pretty certain that our viewers already know that because she's ridiculously real with people. But yeah, these are the two things that I could think of for now.
प्राजक्ता आपसे पूछूंगी, like you said, this universe is very different. आप YouTube videos करते हो, you know, you're your own boss, you decide what content, you have these real fun characters, and then this very serious professional setting. कितना मुश्किल या आसान होता है? Have you been professionally trained for acting?
I mean, I did a few years of theater when I was back in college, but the plan was always to be a radio jockey. Is chakkar mein, the minute college was over, I dropped that and I moved to radio. So if you're asking if I've been to like acting school or if I have any professional training, I don't. I mean, I've learned everything that I did while I was working in theater, and later after that, well, whatever little I could do during my YouTube videos and stuff like that. So for me, honestly, I think the biggest, and this was all up in my head when I first got this project. In my head, the only thing that freaked me out the most was that for the first time in my life, I'm going to play a character that I did not write. You know?
Yeah.
That was a big hurdle in my head. मैंने कहा यार जब मैं अपने लिखती हूँ characters, so I know where they come from and I just have a much better understanding of them. How do I play someone that someone else has made up? You know, how do I play a character that's not me? It does not have any element of me at all. But this was just, I think, for the first couple of days when I heard about the character, because like I said, our writing team and our direction team, मतलब घोल के पी गए थे डिम्पल और ऋषि को. इतना ढंग से उनको पता था कि डिम्पल क्या है, ऋषि क्या है, बाकी के कैरेक्टर क्या है. बट यार द सेटिंग वाज काफी अलग. एक दो दिन पहले जैसे जब मैं अपने YouTube वीडियो शूट करती हूँ, आई गिव अ टेक एंड देन आई रन टू द कैमरा टू सी कि सही से हुआ, सब कुछ ठीक है. यहाँ पे मेरा हमेशा वही होता था, पहला इंस्टिंक्ट कि एक टेक खत्म नहीं हुआ कि मैं
दिखा दो.
आकाश ने पहले एक दो बार तो मुझे इंडल्ज किया, तीसरी बार उसने मुझे बोला कि लिसन वेट, नो वी आर वर्किंग, लेट अस डू इट, डोंट वरी, आई विल लेट यू नो, आई शो यू लेटर. तो वो थोड़ा सा था. I am so used to being involved in more than just the filming process. I want to be involved in the edit, I want to be involved in the writing. But when I was here, I realized it's not my place. You know, there are people who are much more capable and talented who are doing their job wonderfully well, and जरूरी नहीं है कि मुझे सब कुछ पता हो. So ये जो 5-5.5 साल की आदतें लग गई थी मेरे को छोटी छोटी when it comes to filming, वो थोड़ी सी चैलेंज हुई. बट वो सिर्फ पहले 1-2 दिन के लिए, बिकॉज तीसरे दिन से मुझे इतने मजे आने शुरू हो गए थे कि मतलब हम ऐसे होते थे कि किसी का भी शॉट चल रहा है, कॉल टाइम कोई और है, पर हम हमेशा वही हैं सारे के सारे सेट पे. तो उसके बाद it became like a super fun process. Also, I happen to be amongst people who are extremely talented. My cast was super welcoming. They were very warm. They helped me through so much. Rohit has been a darling to me throughout while we were shooting. I absolutely love him for that. So मेरे लिए वो काफी simple बन गया because also of the people that I was with. It could have become very tough also, but it got super simple.
Kya baat hai. Okay, a lot of tarifi there for you, Rohit. This is going to be very different from say The Sky is Pink, the role that you're doing, and obviously the setup as well. Ab apne role ke bare mein, and how is it working with this YouTube star, and the fact that she was trying to adjust, and you were also trying to adjust to this new series that you were working on.
Yeah, no, it was, I'll say it was a joyride, to encapsulate in like 2 words. It was a joyride because, I think that's what happens when you're trying to create something together that everyone is equally passionate about. I feel like when you're working in a fewer projects, like I've worked with people before. No, I'm not talking about actors because, of course, that's something different. But like I've worked with people before who kind of they've done that for years. Perhaps sometimes they've done characters for years, or they've done similar characters. So somewhat like they do not match the enthusiasm. I'm not saying anything about dedication or conviction, but enthusiasm perhaps, because they're just that good. They're just. It's almost like second nature to them. For all of us, the fun part was that we were all building together.
Yeah.
That's beautifully there were moments when Prajakta and I and the rest of the cast members, we'd be discussing a scene with our directors, and we'd all kind of give our inputs that, oh, but what about this? Can we do something like that? And then he would say, no, wo thoda zyada ho jayega. But then we'd say, okay, let's find a mid-ground. So it was a very collaborative effort. A lot of people say this about a lot of people, but not many mean it. But we truly mean this, because like it's very easy to kind of drift apart the moment your 40 days are up. We've not drifted apart. We're equally tight. We, even during the pandemic, we've kind of managed to, in the last couple of days, of course, with all the precautions, all the safety measures, we've managed to meet, once or twice. Because there is that much love. So I think when something's done with love, I think when love is the foundation, I think everything just becomes really, really exciting and happy. This was the first time I had the opportunity to, look at someone with love romantically. And, I was so glad that it was Prajakta, because it was just a lot of fun doing it with her. This girl is mad, yeah. She's mental. She's crazy.
Yes.
I love working with her. So many times it happened that you get tired. You're working. Sometimes you're working for 16 hours. Yes, you're excited to be a part of the series, but sometimes you get really exhausted. There were many such days on Mismatched when not just physically, we were mentally, emotionally drained. But this girl, no matter where you are on this set, you'd hear this one, ha ha ha, and you're just like, oh, Prajakta is here. and suddenly that would be the laughter, that would be the smile, that would light up the entire set, and you'd feel like, okay, let's do this. So I think it's amazing working with such people, and so many times I used to look at her and I'm like, why do you laugh like that? And she said, what do you mean? I'm a delightful person. I'm like, yes, you are, Prajakta. That is true. But super fun. I think the great part about working on this series was, yes, there was love on screen, but there was also love off screen between each and every person. We genuinely care about each other, and we genuinely wanted to help each other grow. So yeah, it was all good. It was all great. Yeah. Besides the mushy stuff, we are mad people, all of us. We party like crazy. Like imagine working for 14 hours, 15 hours together, then going back to the hotel room only to shower and then be in each other's rooms again.
Not bad. Okay.
It was crazy.
Okay, before I let you guys go, what's the USP of Mismatched? Why should people want to watch it? क्या है वो एक चीज that will keep them hooked?
It'll make you happy. It'll make you fall in love with love. It'll make you nostalgic, and most of all, it's a feel good piece of content. You can spend a Sunday just chilling with your family watching it, and you don't lose much.
So you learn acceptance on a very principled level. you learn about love. You get nostalgic. You feel relatable. You look at the characters and you believe that they're true, because that happens in everybody's lives, and not everyone talks about it. So I guess it's safe to say that perhaps everybody will have something that they will take back and think that, that is very close to who I am. It'll hit home, and I think I'm excited about that.
Super. We're excited about Mismatch. Thank you guys. This was so much fun.
Thank you, Stuti. Thank you.